Hey guys, I'm showing you this black nightstand with two fabric drawers and is a Rusic industrial end table with a charging station. It's a metal wood small side table for small spaces and the bedroom or the living room. So you can see this is the MDF board. So there are two with this outlet thing. Everything is marked with numbers and the screws are also there. Instruction is very clear and I will show you the installation and the assembly process. So everything is included with the tools and everything, so it's pretty straightforward. So here are all the tools and the screws that can be used to assemble this product. Yeah. So as I said, installation is all marked and all the pieces are marked, so that is really easy for you to assemble this and just follow the instructions. For example, like this thing is all marked, so just connect the numbers with the numbers. Just tighten the screws and all the tools are provided. I try to fast forward this installation process or the assembly process so that I will not waste most of this video time. So here I attach the frame and now just attaching the boards. So you can adjust this height as well so that whatever the way you want to. You need to be careful like putting it to the back one. Now the drawer is fabric, so it's a nice thing, like it's lightweight. And this is the base. Once you put the base, the handle is actually the wooden handle and all the things are provided so that we can install it properly. So these handles are the wooden handle and the screws, so after putting it in, and this one is also screws outlet, so two 121 and two USB with a 6.5 feet cable, like the power cord. And you can see like these ones after setting it up how this looks. And this is a nice space inside the drawer as well. So this near to the bed looks really nice, and you have a charging thing. You can charge or use these plugs with the USB as well as with the outlet, and also the two drawers to put in your stuff and a open drawer to put your books or anything you want. So it's pretty nice and useful product with a bedside and a lightweight drawers fabric. And yeah, overall I think it's a very helpful and the useful thing to use with your bed and living room.